How to install fault switch, moisture and oxygen sensor. Before the installation, we should prepare working gas and then connect gas pipe to the working gas interface. Turn on the switch, the screen will light up. Then tap the logo. The main screen glove box control system will appear. It shows glove box parameters in real time. How to install moisture sensor. We should unpack the case, screw the moisture sensor into the matching interface. And then insert the plug and tighten the screw on the top of the plug. The screen will show real-time water parameter. How to install fault switch. Just plug it into the matching interface and screw it. Then tap System Control button on the main screen. Then tap Start button of auto purging. Vacuum pump starts to work. Return to the main screen. Gas pressure shows the real-time data. The water content will gradually decrease. How to install oxygen sensor. Notice that before the installation, make sure the water content is about equal to 200 ppm. Then unpack the case, insert the oxygen sensor into the matching interface, and tighten the clamp. Then insert the plug and screw it. Screen shows real-time oxygen parameter. The gas purge should be stopped only after the water and oxygen content are reduced to the set data.